Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add items to the My Favorites section on the Alibaba application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should search for a particular product that you would like to save to your favorite section. You can either type in the exact name of that product into the search bar at the top of the screen, or you can also select from these recommended items here. So just simply click on the relevant one, and then tap on this heart icon that you can find under the picture of the product. So click on this heart icon in the right side of the screen, and as you can see, this item has been added to the My Favorite section. So go back to the home page by tapping on this button in the upper left corner of the screen again, and then you should tap on the My Alibaba icon down below, which is the last option, and tap on the My Favorite section. Here you can see all of the items that have been added to this section, so you can check it out. And if you tap on the three dots icon, you can either remove it from this section. So tap on the remove button and click on delete one product. So now, as you can see, this section is empty. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.